Login failed on ICMarkets app fix. You open the ICMarkets app, ready to check your trades, or open new positions, but then you see login failed. It's a frustrating moment, but the fix is usually simple and quick once you know what to check. Start with your network connection. ICMarkets requires a secure and stable connection to log in successfully. If you're using public Wi-Fi or have poor signal strength, switch to mobile data or a reliable home network. Most login issues start with a weak connection. Next, make sure your app is updated. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search ICMarkets, and tap Update if you see one available. Outdated versions may not work properly with its latest security protocols. Now, re-enter your credentials manually. No autofill or saved passwords. Autofill sometimes stores outdated login details, especially if you've changed your password recently. If you're using two-factor authentication, check your phone's time settings. X verification codes are time-sensitive, and even a few seconds of difference can make your login fail. Set your device's date and time to automatic to fix that instantly. Still having trouble? Clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, ICMarkets, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This resets your connection and removes temporary files that might be interfering. Also, check if your account is temporarily locked due to multiple failed attempts. If so, wait 15 minutes before trying again or reset your password. Sometimes it performs system maintenance that can cause temporary login issues. Wait a few minutes and try again later. If the problem persists, contact IC support. They can help verify your account and ensure your access is restored. So, if your ICMarkets app says login failed, don't panic. Check your network, update your app, fix your time settings and clear the cache. With these quick steps, you'll be back trading and managing your account smoothly in no time.